Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. If you happen to be here for the first time, my name is Kathy and this is my DIY where we do a lot of great projects on a budget. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you a beautiful floral wreath that we are going to make out of a Dollar Tree base and some inexpensive florals. But it's gonna look fabulous and so high-end. If you like these type of videos, please consider subscribing. The moment you hit that red button, you become my bestie. And then we are in touch and you never miss any of my videos, okay? So let's get started.
So we are going to use the wood woven base from the Dollar Tree. It is 12 inches. A variety of flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I have some tulips from Walmart. I wind up using 3 bushels. So pick whatever you like, whatever colors you like, okay? And then pick out some greenery as well. And color coordinating ribbons. We start off by making a bow. Measure a 12-inch tail, pinch, another 12 inches, fold in half, pinch, that's your 6-inch loop. And we continue making 6-inch loops up and down. We got 2, 3, one more at the bottom, 4, and we're gonna do a 5th one in the middle. Pinch, fold in half, there you go. 5-loop bow, very simple bow. And then we're going to cut that tail. Tie it with a piece of floral wire or a pipe cleaner. And now we just have to cut the fishtail, fold it in half, cut it at an angle towards the wired edge. We are going to move that pipe cleaner to the back and use it to attach the bow to the wreath. Very pretty, simple bow. I love that miniature rose print, off-white color. It's kind of old-fashioned Victorian style, which is going to make a perfect wreath because it's a special order for my friend's mom. As you can see, I threaded the pipe cleaner to the wreath form and now I'm tying it in the back. Next, cut apart your greenery and we are going to insert it all around the wreath. Next, cut apart your tulips or whatever flowers you have most of and insert them around the form. And some you will insert on the inside and some on the outside of the form. And you know my trick, bend the stem before you insert it. That way it doesn't just lay flat, it sticks up. I'm inserting a few more around the bow. And I hope my Tweety bird doesn't distract you too much. She just wants to drink some nectar. Here you go, very easy. What are you doing over there, Tweety? There's no honey nectar there. Let me see. Give me that. Give me that. Don't bite it off. I think I want one more over here in the center too. Here you go, 5 tulips all around the bow. All right, next I cut apart the bouquets, and what's great about the bouquets, you get a variety of flowers. And we're going to insert one type at a time. That way you can space them out better. Next, I decided to add some cream-colored roses just to coordinate with my bow. And now those purple daisies from the mixed bouquet. And just space out your flowers depending on how many you have. Next, we are going to add an unexpected pop of color. This is a new hydrangea that Dollar Tree just put out. I always tell you, hydrangeas are great for filling in the holes in your arrangements. I have a hole over here. How come you're not telling me anything, huh? Let me add a tulip or something. Next, I need to add some of those miniature roses. They just go perfectly with my ribbon. By the way, who misses AC more? Michael's is just not the same. Like this ribbon was $2.99, got it on sale for half price, so $1.50 for pretty ribbon. You don't get that at Michael's, unfortunately. And I love Michael's, it's just the prices are not the same. And a lot of products are different too. I miss AC Moore a lot. I know it's not everywhere in US, but it was a great craft store. So as you can see, I inserted some of these little roses around the bow, and now I'm just spacing it out throughout the wreath. I don't have that much left, but I'm trying to make the best of it. It's just such a cute little touch here, I think. All right, no more miniature roses, but I also have this greenery. You know it, it's velvety like that too, and I think it's going to be perfect. Bring a little bit more dimension with a different type of greenery. I'm planning to insert it just here and there around the outer part of the wreath, just to extend the form a little bit. Actually, we need to switch it up. I don't want two same types next to each other. Let's alternate. I think I need a purple flower inside my bowl. Let's see. This is a Dollar Tree rose as well. I love the two-tone look. Step back, take a look at your arrangement. What else is missing? Like, I think I need one more daisy over here. Next, I cut out some butterflies from the butterfly bush. And I'm going to insert them here and there, just sticking up above everything. And here's some of those yellow spikes from the mixed bouquet we cut apart in the beginning. I think I'm gonna utilize them as well, just around the bow. Just when I was done, I decided to add some more color to my bow. Just the same type of bow that I did before, just 3 loops, 12 inches tail, 12 inches folded in half, that's 6-inch loops. I did 3 loops and two 12-inch tails, tied it with the pipe cleaner. So I got this peach color, coordinates with the hydrangea I added there. And then I have some light pink. So let me just make 2 loops here and 2 tails. I'm tying that on top of this one. Fluff it up, and let's see how this would look. Just need to pull out that rose from the center there. All right, and let me just tie that bow in the back, and I think I'm gonna cut off the pipe cleaner and secure the bow with glue. Of course, cut the fishtails, forgot to do that. More glue, and let's see. We're going to put it in there and then fluff it up and mix the 2 bows together. All right, and let's reattach this rose there. All right, I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let's just add a pipe cleaner hanger in the back. I'm actually inserting it a little bit to the side because I want the bow to be on the bottom left. By the way, do you see how we expanded the size of a wreath? And don't cut your flowers too short. You want to make your wreath bigger. And here's the look at the final result. I wonder if you like the more colorful bow. You can make it, of course, any way that you like. As a matter of fact, you can have no bow at all, just florals. As you can see, I have flowers everywhere. There's no empty spot here. Full, beautiful, all the way around. This is a great Mother's Day gift, and you can apply the techniques I showed you here to use any other types of flowers or colors that your mother would love, okay? And the best is the price. Wreaths of that type are like well over $100, so it's definitely worth making your own.
enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. There's so many more creative ideas coming up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Nice hanging out with you, and see you next time. Bye bye.